Ooh, doggy, what is going on, beautiful people? I hope and pray you are doing phenomenally well. Before I get started on this video, I want to see if you're open to hitting that subscribe button, pushing that like. That way, these videos that I am releasing can find more people and can do whatever they do with the whole YouTube algorithm, if I'm saying that correctly. And that way, we can just spread our message that we are a community of real estate investors that are committed to building generational wealth by serving other people. So, now the whole point of this video, I wanted to do a quick talk with you all. And I wanted to just remind you to niche down, okay? And what I mean by this, even with wholesaling real estate, y'all know that that is one of my absolute favorite strategies, right? But even within the wholesaling real estate umbrella, there are several different little avenues that we can go down, and I need you to niche down on one of them. And what I mean by this is you have wholesaling single family housing, you have wholesaling multifamily, mobile home parks, RV parks, land for development to developers, 10 plus acre tracts. You have wholesalers that specialize in just vacant lots that they do new builds on or that they sell to new home builders, okay? So if you see, there's so many different little avenues that you can go down. Pick one and go down it and master it and learn it and get really, really good at it. I am seeing too many new real estate investors chasing every single shiny object. Okay, you need to stop. If you go and actually look at some of the most successful people, no matter what industry they're in, they've normally mastered and niched down on one particular thing, and then they started branching out. I know that there's this notion where it says, have multiple different forms of income, multiple streams of income. I agree with that, yes, but not at the beginning, okay? Let's get really good at something, master it, and then start scaling, okay? So I just wanted to encourage you to niche down on some things. If you are needing a system, a platform for pulling data, comping, where I'm actually skip tracing, doing all of that stuff from, there's a link for PropStream, a 7-day trial that you can click on that does help support the channel. And then it is an affiliate link, so click on it. They'll give you a 7-day free trial. Also, make sure that as you're rocking and rolling, as you're niching down, that you have the proper entity and business structure set up, okay? Prime Corporate Service is who I actually use in my business. There's a link for them as well. Okay, I'm trying to give y'all as much value as I can and as many resources as I can to help y'all get rocking and rolling. But that's all I wanted to share with y'all today. Let's niche down and let's finish this year out strong. I'll chat with you in a bit.